Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover what do you mean by SQL injection attack, what are the impacts of SQL injection attack, and the demonstration of SQL injection attack using demo website. So it is a one kind of vulnerability which allows the attacker to interface with the help of query to the application and makes the database available to the attacker. So attacker can view the data, they can also modify the contents of that information. So whenever the SQL injection attack will happen, that time unauthorized user get access to the sensitive information such as password, credit card details, personal user information, and so on. So how this attack will happen? Whenever we are logged into the system, we have username and password. So whenever user will enter their correct username and password, then they will get access to their account. But what attacker can do, how the attacker can perform SQL injection attack and how they will get access to the admin account. So see, whenever attackers can see the username and password field, that time they can enter SQL injection payloads and they can try with the different kinds of SQL injection payload as authentication bypass. Whenever they are entering their payload in the field of username and your password can be anything and attacker can click on the submit button. Once the query will be sent to the browser to the server, then server will provide a response to get access to the login account with the help of admin page. So via entering the SQL injection payload in the username and password field, attacker can get access to the admin account. So without entering the correct admin username and password, still also attacker can get access to the admin account. So once they get access to the admin account, attacker can modify their personal information. So this kind of attack is called as a SQL injection attack. Now we will see how this attack can be performed using demo website. Now you can type here demo testfire.net. So the first web page is online banking login. You can go to the link and you can see here the page for username and password. So the username and password for this account is admin and admin. So whenever you are entering the correct username and password, that time you will get access to the login for your admin account. So you can check for this account details via admin. Now what we can do, we are entering the SQL injection payloads and with the help of the payload, we are trying to get access to the admin account. So first of all, you can search SQL injection cheat sheet GitHub. So whenever you are searching for this query, you will get multiple GitHub pages. You can go with the one of the link and you can see there are multiple payloads are available. I'm searching for SQL injection authentication bypass payload because we have to enter the query in the username and password page. So see here, these are the SQL injection authentication bypass payload. If suppose you are trying with that condition, so this is the condition like whenever you are using that symbol, this is the OR symbol. So OR, after that whatever you are writing, this will be accepted here in the username field. Suppose you are entering this payload, you are copying this payload and you are pasting it in the username field and your password can be anything. And when you are clicking on that login button, it will not get reflected because in this web page, this query is not reflected here. Okay, so you can try for the other payload. There are lots of payloads are available. sometime in any another web page, this payload can work. So now I am trying for these 5 payloads here, and I will show you how I will get access to the admin account. So first of all, you can try this first payload, that is or 1 equal to 1 dash dash. If you are entering here in the username and your password can be anything. And if you click on the login button, so this you will get access to your admin account, that is hello admin user. And you can see the details for your account. So this kind of attack is called as a SQL injection attack. So in this attack, I have entered this SQL injection payload, not the username password as admin and admin. Now I am trying for this second payload, that is admin or dash dash. And I'm entering here password can be anything. And if you click on the login button, still we will get access to the account for our admin account. Now you can try this third payload. In the username field, and your password can be anything, and your username payload is admin or then or 1 or equal to or 1. And I'm clicking on this login button. I will get access to the admin account. And whenever you get access to the admin account, you can see the details for any of the account. Click on the go button. So these are the account details for this particular account that I have selected. So in this way, you can do the authentication bypass using SQL injection payload. Now I am trying this next payload, that is admin or 1 equal to 1 dash dash. And my password can be anything. Still, I am getting the access to the admin account. And I am clicking on this account and click on the go button. So attacker can see what are the details for the account. Now you can try for the next payload. And your password can be anything you can enter. And when you click on the login button, still I'm getting the access to the account. So in this way, you can perform SQL injection attack via entering the SQL injection authentication bypass payload. It may happen via entering any of the payload, you will not get access to the account. So you can try for another payload and you can try for SQL injection bypass.